Can confirm at this hours that indeed the school has been closed for the day. The Gauteng Department of Education has confirmed this, but what we do know is that this is not a decision that was taken by the department itself. The understanding that we have currently is that it may appear that one of the staff members, one of the teachers, may have come into contact with one of the group of 10 that had travelled to Italy. You'd recall that South Africa has now confirmed 3 cases, positive cases of the coronavirus, all linked, of course, to that group of 10 people that went to Italy and returned. You would recall that the first incident was confirmed in Hilton in KwaZulu-Natal, and then later one person being quarantined here in Johannesburg in Gauteng. So at this stage, that's the information that we have, but what we do know is the health department, together with the Gauteng Education Department, don't seem to understand why that measure has been taken. I would presume that both departments will be in conversation with the school about why they took that decision. I guess the school could perhaps argue at this stage that that might have been a precautionary measure on their part. You could see here towards this direction. We're going to ask SABC cameraman Kwazi Manzi just to zoom in a bit. Absolutely quiet at the school at the moment. No movement whatsoever. We haven't really come into contact with anybody here at the school, because I can imagine that the decision to close the school may have been earlier communicated with the parents here to ensure that the children or the learners do not come to school. But I think we'll get much more clarity on that, Desiree, at an interministerial briefing that will be held in Pretoria this afternoon.
All right, that was a report back there from Chriselda Lewis.